What's going on, everybody? So this is for if you have hill descent or Stabilitrak warning lights and your truck is in limp mode, won't go above 45, I believe it is. This is for 2011 through 2017. My truck is a 2017. I don't know about 18 through 21. My truck has been to Mexico and been deleted, if you know what I mean. So when you delete the trucks, you just usually leave all your plugs just sitting there dangling and don't do nothing with them. So I had this problem last year, and I read some threads and kind of figured out the issue. So I cleaned all my prongs and my truck quit doing this. So okay, well, whatever. So then I had this problem reoccur this year. So I did the exact same thing, and the problem was still there. I could not get it to go away. I couldn't get the corrosion out of the wires. And the reason for this is, if you look up in there and there's that connector up there, that one right there, that actually runs your Stabilitrak and your hill descent and your DPF and DEF and all that, all run through that. So what was happening was these plugs that there used to be a plug right here, they get corroded and they short circuit themselves or short out. So what you should do, if you don't plan on ever putting a DPF or DEF back on, is snipping the plugs off, and I just put some heat shrink over the ends, and you have 1, 2, 3, and there's 4 all the way up there, 5, and 6. So if you don't plan on putting the stuff back on your truck, just cut them and save yourself a big headache, because I was kind of stomped when this happened to me last year, and I was even more stomped this year when I tried to clean them and still couldn't get them clean. So there's these 7 connectors. Snip them all, get rid of them. This is only if your truck's been to Mexico or back, that I think you might have this problem. Just something to look out for. So yeah, if you like this short little video, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and comment, and hit that notifications bell. I give some tech tips every now and again when I run into them. So, all right, thanks for watching.